for this video is just going to be how you decorate your room.
You did. Bitch, pay me, bring the guap out. We ain't changing.
So we're here at Cal State East Bay.
Yes, we in this.
Today is move-in day, so I'm excited.
I'm not fucking moving in, so.
They just played Kaylin and Miles. They played Love Robbery out of all songs. I mean, whatever. I was triggered because it was 7:41 in the morning. Like, why are you playing music that doesn't even have artists that are together anymore? This is a gym I'm going to be attending.
Yes, because we cannot get freshman 15.
Yeah, I heard it's 45 now, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna lose 45. Not go out. I'm so tired. I can take a nap. Oh, bitch, I have a pillow.
I hate it. Take it out.
I am gonna take it out. My nails are fucked, you know? But don't be commenting in the comments unless you're gonna give me a mani-pedi or, see ya. Because I'll be taking a nap, sleeping on your ass. You know what's this? You gonna buy me another charger?
Look at the good charger.
Stop! She stopped the recording because she plugged in my charger and it stopped. Yeah, I feel attacked, triggered. Honestly.
I hate you.
She loves me. Everyone loves me. Amazing.
I know, I do love her. Look how cute she is. Dude, like, right here, if I would take a picture of you, fucking cute.
How am I trying to pull? They trying to pull me. What?
That face has it on.
Triggered at 7:49
Again?
a.m. Yeah, triggered. Feel attacked. So I'm wearing glasses because I look a little rough. More like a lot of rough. But anyways, I finally rearranged my room floor, and I would recommend the third floor if you can because people will stomp. Like last year I was on the second floor and they would literally stomp so loud, would wake me up. It was ridiculous. Like I couldn't. So we're gonna start with the famous mirror wall. For me personally, everywhere I go, most people collect like either license plates or they collect like shot glasses. Me, when I go somewhere, I like to collect keychains because I like to put them on the wall. This one is from Vegas when I went, and it's a lucky penny because I'm very into that look. At Great America, actually, at Summer Splash. So I didn't like the photo, but I mean, it's Brooklyn Beckham, like his fine ass. Like what? Like I had to put it anyways. And then this is me with G-Eazy. This was a pop-up shop. And then this is when I went to Cabo San Lucas a couple years ago. This was on 420. Then this is from Chicago. I've never been to Chicago, but my friend Adrian went. And then if you didn't know, this is Kaylin. We had just went on, I forget the ride, but it's that one ride that like flips upside down at Great America. Fun. And then this is Super Duper Kyle. And then this is Marky Basie. This was at KMEL. And that same day, 99.7 was also having an event. So I went to the 99.7 event and then went straight to the KMEL one, and I seen him again. So this one is from Cabo San Lucas too, and I liked it because it's a nail clipper and a bottle opener. And this one is also from Cabo San Lucas because if you know me, you know that I love turtles. So, and then this was I Am Sue at his music video for How We Rock. And then this was at Kehlani's meet and greet in Berkeley. And then this was at the Berkeley show for SOB. This was on Halloween, October 31st, 2018. Literally my king. And then this is me and my mom on my graduation at BJ's. Then this is me, my best friend, and Kaylani. This is Matt Hill. And then Las Vegas Princess, because, you know, I'm a princess. This is my cousin Jackie, you know, her little grad photo. This, oh my god, I just realized I put this motherfucker twice. I really like his ass. I need to change that. And then this is my friend Dominique. This is Miles Parrish at the I Am Sue show that he performed at. I forgot where this one was from, but I know it's from when I went to Mexico. And then I got me and my best friend the same one. And this is my cousin Corla. This is me with Super Duper Kyle at the KMEL Lounge. A little Op Guard. A little more Vibes Tour Pass. Okay. Another Vegas one because I just went ham. Me with Key and Lolly. I literally seen him on the street the day of Trippie Redd. And then this is me with Jason Derulo. How I finessed meet and greet. If you want a story time, make sure to like this video and comment. And then this is me again with Matt Hill, but this is just like an actual Polaroid. This is me and my friend Martine. This is a really old picture. This was back in the Cam Fam days when we were on our way to the listening party at Slim's for Killing a Miles. And then this one my best friend gave me, so I also haven't been here, but we're gonna put it on the wall. And then this is from Ventura when I went to SoCal because I was thinking of going to Channel Islands, and then I ended up going to East Bay, which I do not regret. I will do a detailed story time on my experience at East Bay and how to pick colleges, but for this video, it's just gonna be how you decorate your room, how East Bay looks. I do love the dorm style because they are like apartments, so you do not have to wake up in the middle of the night and go to the bathroom somewhere else. You don't have to share a kitchen with like 5,000 people. You literally have your kitchen here. This is the smallest refrigerator. Make sure to bring a microwave because after your first year, they're not gonna give you one. Doubles are more money, so I went ahead and I did a triple because it's cheaper, and I feel like there's a little bit more room because they are bunk beds, so the beds are kind of out of the way, and I feel like there's more space that way. And I would highly recommend looking for roommates because it is hard living with other people. I will talk all about it in a full detailed video, but just letting you know that. This obviously isn't my full closet, but for the sake of the video, I just put the whole curtain. Realistically, that side is my closet, so that's why I put the flowers like only on this side. I highly recommend one of these because it's really helpful on like assignments that you have during the week, so you make sure that they get done. And then I got this freshman year, and it just has a bunch of like positive things on it. And then I got these cute little lights. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Light up like this, and I just put 4 of them. This is the late night breakfast. East Bay has it like every time during finals. A lot of shoes, so I just put up all my shoes on the door, and then I'll block this area, which is like the side of my bed, because I don't like any like light coming in. On this side I have my pillows, just like a little snack here. This is like a little scented thing, so it smells good in here. On this side, you can see how like it's covering the wood, so that was the idea. So just know I'm gonna fix this, and this is not gonna be here anymore. And then I also put it here because I was like, ew, like I'm not trying to see no wood, like nope. And then this is my cozy bed. I would highly recommend one of these because it's just like really comfortable for doing homework, but do not do your homework too much in your bed because that's bad. If you eat good and you have hella food that you know it's not gonna fit in that fridge, sharing with like 5 other people. So what I do, because I don't like light, I just put sheets. This cute little thing here. Normally if things have this, I just put like flowers, like fake flowers in them because it looks like really nice. It's so much easier to store things. Little hack for you. So you basically buy a case like this and you kind of loop it on here. I just lay in my bed all comfy. So get yourself an iPad, sit back and relax. And you could just get this case like from Amazon, like for like $10. You can eat in the bed, put your laptop here and do everything. And then I have my power outlet. This is very useful because obviously it's not going to connect your phone like this close if you don't have this long ass extension cord. And I also plug my lights into here, and then I use this I just hang it up on there. Then I have the pretty lights. Obviously it doesn't look like that pretty because the person above me has like their sheets, but the aesthetic is still there.
I make shit look easy, but they don't know what it take. Don't ask me the time I got spaghettis in the face. Jojo drops on Louis, I want everything he made.